Assalamu alaikum students, I am Arsal and today I am here to deliver a lecture from the platform of Al Khair School System and Academy. Today this lecture is for class second year and our topic is the dying sun. Students, as you know that the dying sun, which is written by Sir James Chain, it is based upon a theory, it is based upon an idea which he perceived at that time. And according to the dying sun, here he discussed a Big Bang theory, which it seems that Sir James Jeans believed on that Big Bang theory, which happened some 2000 million years ago. And in that incident, according to the Big Bang theory, it so happened that a wandering star came near the sun and he threw so huge amount, the waves of attraction on the surface of the sun. And those waves were so powerful when that wandering star decided to move away from the sun, it broke into pieces. And those pieces started revolving around the sun, which gradually became cooler and cooler. And our earth is one of those. Okay. According to Sir James Chain, how life started on the earth, he says that there is no actual answer of that question, that how life started, but according to him there is an idea that life started from a very humble beginning, from very simple organisms which were normally unicellular and which gradually they became so complex that the human beings have created from that. And after that, according to this chapter, The Dying Sun, he said that only we find that only life is present or present on earth. There is no other star which is responsible for this kind of life which we are spending now. According to the writer, existence of life on earth has a very closed space. Life can exist on those narrow belts which are neither too hot neither too cold, because life needs a moderate temperature, whereas other stars or planets are they do not have such kind of environment. Therefore only our earth is having this kind of life. Okay, next he explains that why universe is so frightening for we human beings. There are 2 or 3 answers. First of all, life is so frightening that it is so fragile. Once a person dies, he never recovers from that thing that which is known as death. The other is life is not possible, which is we are living on any other planet. Okay? There are lots of planets on the universe which are countless, numberless, but only we are enjoying this kind of life, and we do not see any other like us. Therefore we become frightened. जैसे कि हम सोचते हैं कि हम अकेले हैं, we have no one like us. So it is the answer of this question, why life is so frightening. And also life is frightening because there are huge distances from one star to another star, and those distances are countless. So it came the idea in our mind that this universe is so huge that we cannot have an idea about its size. Okay? So it makes us frightened. Our earth is just like a dot on this whole whiteboard. You can say that it is we in this circle. So this idea make us frightened. So it was all in this essay I explained in a very short summary, which is enough for us, because our main object is to memorize the answer questions. The idea which I gave you will help you in preparing these answer questions. So there are total 8 question answers you have done already, but I shall explain those answer questions in a very short way. First of all, how is it that a near star seldom finds another star near it? Question number 1, which we all knew that there are huge distances, बड़े-बड़े फासले हैं from one star to another star. So there is a rare incident that we find one star near the other. What happened when, according to Sir James Jeans, a wandering star wandered through space, came near the sun? मैंने आपको स्टार्ट में बताया बिग बैंग थ्योरी. What happened when the burning star came nearer and nearer? जब वो करीब से करीब तक आता गया तो क्या हुआ, जो वो अपनी ग्रेविटेशन पुल था उसको वो थ्रो किए जा रहा था. What are planets and how did they come into existence? ये भी हमने डिस्कस किया कि बेसिकली प्लैनेट्स वही पार्ट्स हैं which were broken from the surface of sun and they started revolving it around it, which gradually they became cooler and cooler. Why is there no life on the stars? Okay, ये भी हमने डिस्कस किया एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ लाइफ में कि जो एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ लाइफ है इट रिक्वायर्स हम्बल circumstances. It requires a moderate temperature which is neither too hot or neither too cold, whereas star they are just like the fireballs, वो गर्म आग के गोले हैं, that is why life cannot exist on them. Write a note on the beginning of life on the earth. So life started from a humble beginnings. Firstly it produced a unicellular organism and after that they became complex and more complex. Why is the universe of which our earth is a part of so frightening? Earth क्यों इतनी frightening है? There are 2 or 3 answers which we discussed. Okay, all these question answers you have written in your book or notebook. So this is your assignment to submit all these 8 answer questions in a written shape after 2 days. I shall check and I shall take your test or oral test. Also you have to complete the synonyms of this chapter as well. Revise the synonyms and write the answer questions. और वो आपने मुझे सबमिट कराने हैं. आंसर क्वेश्चंस रिटन शेप में है, सिनोनिम्स आपने अच्छे से रिवाइज करने हैं, उनका ओरल टेस्ट आपका हो जाएगा. जब आप वो सबमिट कराने आएंगे तो आपका सिनोनिम्स का ओरल टेस्ट हो जाएगा और आंसर क्वेश्चंस चेक कर लिए जाएंगे. सो इट वाज ऑल फ्रॉम माय साइड. होप आपको समझ आई होगी. अल्लाह हाफिज़.